My name is Christopher Andreas Walter with my beautiful wife Lydia. We want to send our greetings to all our donors and friends that have been standing with this ministry. Your giving has been a blessing, transforming lives of youth here in Serengeti.
Over the years, your giving has helped us implement various projects that have helped to change the lives of many people here in Mugumu, Serengeti. One of them being our vocational college. Through the college, we have been able to help many youth acquire skills that are beneficial for their life and enable them to earn a living, especially the young girls in this community. We have offered courses such as tailoring and design, salon and beauty, secretarial studies, and basic computer. Recently, by the grace of God, we were able to acquire a higher accreditation, and now our college is nationally recognized, and we have therefore introduced new courses that we hope will further help the youth acquire skills for their lives that are beneficial to them, especially the boys. We've introduced courses such as motor vehicle driving, plumbing and pipe fitting, electrical installation, welding and fabrication, carpentry and joinery, and then tourism and tour guiding. These courses are majorly practical, and we therefore need a workshop. We have the ground on which to construct the workshop, and we hope by the grace of God this project will be accomplished.
We ask for your support towards the construction of this workshop, and every penny you'll give towards this construction will change a life here in Serengeti, Mugumu, Tanzania. And we believe changing one life, changing the world. Be a world changer.